Hi, it's your coach, Joe Lucas. Welcome to your Practice Power Daily Coaching video for Wednesday, November 13th. Let me ask you a question. When you really think about what you do, what are the roles that you have? So, in other words, if I said to you, and Stephen Covey talked a lot about this, in the 7 habits of highly effective people, it is the roles that you have and what areas inside of those roles do you need to improve. So, let me give you some examples, okay? So, in my world, what are some of my roles? Well, I'm a father, I'm a husband, I'm a coach, I'm a business owner, I'm an entrepreneur, right? I mean, I have to do that. I lead my coaching team, right? And there's a couple other ones which we don't want to get into because we don't have a lot of time today. And what I did is I looked at each one. And what I did over again, my personal development day, is I looked at each one and said, okay, where do I need to improve? What's the identity? What are the roles inside of here? And I think a lot of times, being an advisor, we always talk about being a lifestyle business. Well, what exactly is a lifestyle business? What does that mean? Well, here's what it means is that when you look at your entire life, you have roles of whether it's your spouse, brother, sister, husband or wife, right? Things like that, parent, and then you get into you're a business owner. Look, I don't care if you work for a major organization, a major warehouse. Hey, you're a business owner, whether you like it or not. You also have to lead your team. Now, what do you mean lead your team? Well, even if you have a part-time sales assistant, hey, you have to lead that person. You have to paint a vision for them, all right? What else do you do? Well, you have to be the advisor, right? So in other words, you have to know technically what you're doing, whether that's financial planning or the markets or investment advice, guidance, stuff like that. The other thing, which we don't talk a lot about in our industry, which is in my mind probably becoming more and more critical, in fact, is I believe is going to become the chief value differentiator in our industry going forward, which is how do you deal with being the amateur psychologist, right? And psychologist, and dealing with your client's mindsets, their fears, their beliefs, their phobias, right? Their own dysfunctionality, right? Critical. And the reason why I bring this up to you today is I'm pre-framing you for business planning for next year and what you need to do better. But all I like you to do is break down your different roles, right, to different areas, and start thinking about, hey, where do I need to get better here? Where do I need to go ahead and improve? Maybe if I'm a level 7 on being a amateur psychologist with my clients, right? Well, what do I need to do to make it an 8.5? What do I need to do to be a better X? That's what I want you to start thinking about. As I've always said, our industry is very much a personal development industry. It is not about acquiring more designations or degrees. It's about improving yourself as a human being. The more you improve yourself as a human being, the bigger your bank account. Have a great day.